So today we are using haze and we will be freezing this pipe. Now let's see how it turns out. Oh my god. Yeah, it's freezing. I think that's it. This is what we needed. Now we have to count 3 minutes. And no, 5 minutes, and then we're ready. And then we will check if we have water on the hot pipe. As you inject the chemical, we have to wait 5 minutes by the instruction on the can. 5 minutes, and then we can check if here is water. Now, once these 5 minutes are passed, then we have 30 minutes left for the plug. And let's see how it's gonna be. It's another 2 minutes and a half, and then we can make the surgery. Now it's 5 minutes, okay. Let's see if we have hot water now. Can you see? Yeah. Perfect. No hot water. Now, let's crack on then. Let's crack on then. Now what we're gonna do first, can you see? I don't know, but first we're gonna replace this one here. Perfect. There you go. It's perfect. Now we get our olive out, like so. There you go. And this one out. This pipe is damaged, so you have to cut the pipe now. There you go. There you go. it up quickly. Let's tighten this up. There you go. Now one power scrub wipe. There you go. You can clean this nicely. Go around. Perfect. Perfect. Now we can stop the water and onto the pipe finally. I'll show you guys closer. Okay, let's insert the new tap now. And then now let's tidy up. Okay, now it's pipe time. That's ready. And now is top of the cake to insert the pipe. There you go. One stopcock with pipe and hot water. Now we can remove this and see when our water is gonna come. Reusable cable ties. Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Was 25 minutes roughly. and the water came. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. So around 25 minutes working time we have with full can of my freezer. Just on time. Lovely, jubbly, perfect. With a long 5-10 minutes testing time to make sure our joint is healthy, and then I let you know. Thank you very much for watching, and one Hayes product tested.